guy in here sanding some drywall, and he brought over this pretty cool Ryobi palm sander. I'm going to show it to you real quick. If you watch the channel, I got a ton of Ryobi tools too. They work pretty good. It's got this little catch bag on it, so it'll catch, you know, the plywood particles or drywall particles or whatever it is you're sanding. And you twist it off and you can empty it out. It takes a battery right here, Ryobi battery. We've got a bunch of these things at this point because we got a ton of the tools. And it takes a 5-inch sanding disc. And the thing goes right along. So it's a palm sander and there's a little button right here to kick it on. So we are back at Home Depot. Rob's looking for his wood. So picking up all kinds of wood for the molding in Home Depot. We got to trim out our windows with this. And we got to behave ourselves. We just got the evil eye from an old guy. He's giving you the evil eye, Rob. This is the baseboard. Now we're on the search of baseboard, right? So you had a couple of 10-footers?
Yeah, we could do 2 5s.
Couple 5s. Right, so here goes about another $900 in Home Depot. We got all of our baseboard. We're gonna put a new baseboard in the house. We got the corner covers to fit them. Bunch of trim for the windows, so we're gonna start hammering away all the stuff, right, Rob?
Yep.
Yeah, it fits a lot better, huh? Nice.
Yeah.
Missed it. How's the window trim coming out, Rob? Pretty good? So far, so good.
You're heating it on the end?
Mm-hmm.
On the end.
Yeah, looks good. All right, so we got this window all trimmed out, got some paint on the walls, and right now it's nighttime, and we've been working on this room for about all day. So we gotta trim out that window tomorrow, and then get this thing all painted, freehanded up to the ceiling. So we're getting there. There's light at the end of the tunnel. So tomorrow Rob's gonna come back over, and I got some old baseboard down there, so we gotta rip out this baseboard. I put like $700 worth of new baseboard to put in here. This shit's like freaking 50 years old, so we're gonna put in some new stuff and get some new baseboard in. So made a little more progress yesterday. You get the window all trimmed out. I just have to go around and caulk that, and painted the walls like a tan color last night. Looks pretty good. And behind me, we're in the process of framing out the garage door, and it's getting there. Nice.
Wow.
It's pretty good, Rob.
Amazing.
So Rob came up with a bright idea to drill a couple holes through the old window. So we used some countersink bolts, and there's one over there if he moves his hand. So we used these bolts right there. We used 3 of those, and they were able to center the TV on our wall in here. And it's on there really good. It's never gonna come off of there. It's pretty solid. All right, so we ripped out all the old baseboard, and we're getting ready to put some new baseboard in, right, Rob?
Yep.
So we're setting our height, and we cut off right there to the old pipe that's going down to the basement. And we're gonna run it around the room.
There you go.
Nice.
Haha, sucker.
So after 7 days, Rob and I are finally done fixing this wall. So we get the windows all trimmed out. We went with the flat square molding around the doors and the windows. Kind of kept it simple. I like it. Took out the old molding and we retrimmed the old window as well. And ended up painting the whole room tan color. Did do baseboard all around the room. It stays a lot warmer in here. Put in a new fiberglass door. We talked about that earlier in the video. And got the thing all done. It took us about 7 days and a lot of hours, but we got it all finished. So behind me right here is the TV. Remember there was a hole in the wall right there with the window. So we framed that all in, sheetrocked that, closed that up, and bought a fireplace online. I'll put a link to that if you guys want to check that out. It's pretty nice. But it feels good to be done. Another home renovation project, and to put this one behind me. That wall was really bad, and didn't realize how bad it was initially until we went poking at it, and it got worse and worse and worse. So I hope you guys liked the series. Don't forget to thumb up the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel. Take it easy, guys.